ROM. This also recent reverse split stock name. We're breaking through downtrend. Every time we really get to that spot, we always have issue. Right now we got that issue, and now we're good morning, good afternoon, good evening as well. This is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. I did talk about the market as a broader perspective, and I posted it right on my stock tweet and Twitter account that I am looking for this W-shaped pattern break, of which we're working this level right now, right? So I'm looking for more to come in the market because we're really breaking out of that zone with the 200 moving average as a resistance. If we break, I'll be expecting more to the upside, even to around 410, before we can take a different direction in terms of the S&P 500 ETF. Now I'll be taking off of my scan off of Finviz again in terms of these small price low float stocks. And don't forget, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time as well, you're welcome. And this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, looking at the market, I talked about it, and I'm looking for price to break through this 402 403 area into 410. In my previous video, I talked about the SPY getting into 403, and then we can pull a little bit to the downside. So we did pull lower, but not enough for the market to really react. Okay, it's just Apple weighing down on the market at right now because of what's happening in China. Now, our first stock is going to be AMPX. Okay, AMPX right now, I'm looking at this technology company. I'm looking for price to really hold this $10 as a support. Okay, if more momentum comes in, then we can push through $12 in the coming days. So keep an eye out on that name. Also looking at KLXE. KLXE right now, we're looking at price holding the 20 exponential moving average. That is our spot, which is $15 in terms of support. So if we can hold that spot, then we can continue to push to the upside. But for now, keep an eye out on this area. We're good on RSI to really push again on this name. Okay, it's not as if we really extended and then decide to be watchful. But anyways, set your stop loss in a stock like this. $15, $14 your stop loss with risk into $13 as well. Next is gonna be BILI. This one right now we're looking at $14. That is the area. See how price really rejected this trend. So keep an eye out. See if Billy can really push to the upside on that name. GCI also, we're looking at $2.50. That is our direction. If we can break $2.50, we can continue to push right into $3 on that name. TIGR as well. These are low float, guys. These are low float. Anyways, 525 is our next spot. See, we got to that spot, try again, we couldn't break through $5 and back down to $4.50. Right now, $4.30 is our next support, which coincides with our 20 exponential moving average and as well as our uptrend here. So keep an eye out on that name. PHAT as well. I'm not really into pharmaceutical or biosciences or biotech or bio, but guess what? We also have this. I'm going to put it out there because I got the information to talk about this. So PHAT right now we're looking at $9 as our support. This trend is our support with $9 as a risk. If we can break through $10, which coincide with our 20 and 50 exponential moving average, then we should be able to get right into $11, which is our next resistance. If you notice, this stock always pop and fail, pop and fail, pop and fail. So we'll just look out for the next pop and also the next fail. So keep an eye out on that name as well. KC KC right now 250 close, with 282 or $3 as our next resistance in the coming days. VTNR right now, our $10 is going to be our resistance once we break through the 200 moving average. CVNA right now, we've been coming from almost $300 down to $8, guys. This is crazy. This is insane, right? Yes, it is insane. Right now is now a small price stock, right? Keep an eye out on this area for consolidation move to the upside, at least to this downtrend, which is $10. So I got some position on this and I'm just waiting for that move to come in. GSAT, what we got $2 here. $2 is going to be our resistance, with 185 180 as our support on this name. I think, you know, with momentum coming into this, I think we should be able to push to the upside. RSI is decent, which is 51%. I think we can still continue to push and give us another pop right into 250 or 220 in the coming days, so keep an eye out on that. CGTX did pop right on Friday. We've been pushing for the past good 3 trading days, and right now we are back into the 200 moving average, which is our resistance. So I'll be expecting some form of a pullback. The reason is because we also have this area support, which is going to be our resistance now, 250. So keep an eye out on that level as well. Also looking at JSCE right now, we're also popping with 115 116 as our next resistance spot. RKDA, I'm expecting a bounce off this level as well because of COSM. I'm expecting a bounce off this level as well. We're looking for momentum play on just small price stocks like that, like cents. This is 31 cents, right? So we're looking at this as well, because if you take a look at COSM, where are you here? If we look at that name, I think we're really doing good in terms of pushing to the upside. See how we really rallied from that 7 cents, 8 cents area back into 69 or even 70 cents, right? So right now 50 cents is our resistance for now, with room back down into 25 cents as support. If that 25 cents doesn't hold, guys, then we'll pull back down to 18, 19 cents. But for now, we'll try to push right through 50 cents as momentum comes into that name. TCDA as well, we're looking for 21 cents hold or 20 cents hold as a support. I think they can really push this to the upside if it comes. Volume is also 29.50 or 29.4 million in terms of traded shares. So also there's no reason for them not to do a split if they want to do a split, unless someone comes in and buy this, right? So keep an eye out on that name as well. We're also talking about PHAT as well, $3.75. This is the area to break. If we break this area, then we can pop just like we've done in the past two pop sections. So 560 is going to act as a resistance. $5.50, $5.75 is going to act as our resistance. So keep an eye out on PHAT for more to come. DBGI as well, we're looking to break through $6. If we do, then look for $8.25 to come on that name as well. CTRM, this is also recent reverse split stock name. We're breaking through downtrend. Every time we really get to that spot, we always have issue. Right now we got that issue and now we're breaking through. Right now our support is going to be the 200 moving average on that name. OLMA as well, right now we're bouncing off of support. Right now we're looking at an inverse head and shoulder pattern right now, so we're bouncing off that level. The next spot is going to be $3.75, $4. That is our next resistance on this name, so keep an eye out in the coming days. I do like it as well. ENSC right now we're channeling, and I'm looking like $4 right right now. We should be able to hold that area. GOEV right now support is $1.13, $1.10. That is going to be our support with room back into $1.25, $1.30 in the coming days. So keep an eye out as well on that. APRN $1 is our support. I think we're holding that $1 each area right now, and I think some more room to fill this gap should come in. So keep an eye out on that as well. PXMD right now $2.50 is our next level to break, so keep an eye out on that as well. The remaining chart, guys, I'm gonna post them up. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Meet you guys on the platform. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Peace.